Come on down, it's free.
Chuck's gonna get you a freaking coffee cup.
Chuck, we gave away 15 pounds of coffee for free.
See?
It works.
All right, this is a fun one. It goes like this. Okay, now for the last piece I'd like to do, this one goes very similar to this. I hope you guys recognize it. Here we go.
It's nice to hear your voice again. I've waited all day long, even wrote a song for you. It's strange the way you make me feel. With just a word or two, I'd like to do the same for you. It's nice to hear you say hello. And how are things with you? I love you. But very soon it's time to go. An office job to do while I'm here writing songs for you. Strange how a phone call can change your day, take you away, away from the feeling of being alone. Bless the telephone. It's nice the way you say my name, not very fast or slow, just soft and low, the same as when you tell me how you feel. I feel the same way too. I'm very much in love with you. I'm very much in love with you.